we are going to see the chance at least for a few thunderstorms out there this evening and tonight. Not going to be as widespread as last night. Mainly going to be to the north and to the east of the Fox Valley. We're tracking a few storms moving into northern parts of Door County. Nothing severe at this point, but there is the chance that one or two of these could be on the strong to maybe even severe side for tonight. There are some more scattered storms as we head up into the UP and more back off to the north and west from there, thanks to a little weak disturbance that's moving across the upper Great Lakes. There is a marginal risk for Kewaunee, Door County as well up to the north from there that one or two of these storms could be strong to severe overnight. Main threats would be hail up to an inch and wind gust as high as 60 miles per hour. So we'll keep an eye on these as we head through this evening. We'll just have the chance for a few storms, again, mainly to the north of Green Bay even, but even Green Bay could get clipped later tonight with a little bit of rain or a thunderstorm, and then these should come to an end by later tonight into the start of your Monday. Right now, though, it is warm out there, 85 degrees, west-northwest winds at 10 miles per hour in Green Bay. In Appleton, 82 degrees, but you'll notice the dew point's much lower in the 40s and 50s, so much more comfortable than what we saw out there yesterday, but very summer-like for sure. 86 degrees right now in Shawano, 84 in Manitowoc, it's 84 in Oshkosh, and 87 in Wapaka. In Green Bay, today's the warmest day of the year thus far, but we have even warmer conditions in store for next Sunday. I'll talk about that in a sec, but winds pretty blustery out there. These will die back a bit as we head on into tonight. Dew points very comfy out there. Instead of the upper 60s like what we saw yesterday, much more into the comfortable category for the area. So a cooler start to the work week, though. Tomorrow highs will only be in the lower 70s, and then dry weather through Wednesday before some more rain and storm chances later this week on Thursday and Friday. But we got a little bit of a disturbance here that'll bring that chance for a few storms up to the north for tonight, but back behind it some cooler air, and that's going to be moving on in for tomorrow and Tuesday. Lows tonight dipping down into the 50s. Tomorrow not going to be as warm. Highs cooler along the lakeshore, 70s, lower 70s further to the west. And then as we head on into Tuesday, maybe just a few degrees warmer. Temperatures generally in the lower to middle 70s for highs. Here's a look at Skycast as we go through tonight, that chance for a few storms. Tomorrow morning, we'll start off with some clouds and fog that'll come off the lake, but that should move on out for tomorrow afternoon. Mostly sunny skies on your Monday. It'll be windy as well and cooler. And then as we head on into Tuesday, more quiet weather, lots of sunshine in store for Tuesday, some pretty pleasant conditions, and we'll watch a system to the west that'll eventually bring us some rain chances later this week. And then looking at the weekend, could see some of the hottest weather yet this time next weekend. Some spots rather, could get into the 90s. We'll talk more about that coming up tonight at 10. But tonight, 56 degrees, maybe a few storms. Then for tomorrow, morning clouds, then turning mostly sunny, cooler and windy. Your extended forecast looking like this. A little bit of a cool down for your Monday and Tuesday. We start to warm things up by the middle of the week, and then we'll have some storm chances Thursday, cooler with clouds and rain on Friday. And then a big warm-up, some steamy weather in store. It's going to be not only hot on Sunday, but also very humid.
You know, I'm glad it's like this now as opposed to last night. That's all I'm thankful for.
Yeah, the storm's not going to be as widespread, but we are going to watch that very closely.
Yeah, Monday and Tuesday looking pretty cool, too.
Looks pretty good.
All right, well, thanks so much, Matt.